Wendi wa President William Ruto ngihinga njira ya kung'ethanira na aungumania na aria matwarite macira maria maragiria thirikari itabanie mogaruruku uthondeki-ini wa cukari na makiria kambuni-ini ya Mumias ina marungo matatu.
Nimesema hawa watu mambo yao ni tatu, si ndio? Either wahame Kenya, ama waende jela, ama waende mbinguni. Hakuna dawa ingine.
Murugamo uria wambiririe kwiyumiria riria muhuri wa biashara uikaine thugura-ini ya cukari Jaswan Trai anyiteirwo migwate guku Nairobi niguo ururumurite marakara ma ngwataniro ya mawakiri na ikundi itiganite cia kuhuranira ihoto cia muingi iria ciugite ati njira iria president arenda kugereria bururi yaya kucokia ukombo-ini wa andu gutwirwo gutari kurumirira muthingi wa watho.
Demand that we want to make on the president is to not only withdraw and apologize for those very, very unfortunate remarks, but also to allow the due process of law to take its course to its logical conclusion.
Tunamrai Rais Ruto aweze kuangalia kule alikotoka na ajue kwamba tukiendelea hivi basi nchi yetu hii na Wakenya kwa jumla ndio watakaoumia zaidi.
Is Mr. President, lance this boil before you too get consumed by the lawlessness that you saw in your predecessor and in the previous administration.
Ikundi cicugite ati mĩario ya president no gicunji kia rurenda rwa maundu maria makoretwo makiumira maria mangihuthirwo kuonania ati thirikari irenda kuma barabara-ini ya gwathana kuringana na mithingi ya watho indi Akenya makamoya no huthu ona thutha wa president kwirira Akenya akimatha kura na thiko-ini cia mbere cia wathani wake ati gutire hindi agacokia Akenya wathani-ini wa muthemba uyu.
Mumekubali wezi wote tuwafukuze? Maneno ya wezi ni ngapi? Wahame Kenya, waende jela, ama waende mbinguni. Maneno ya imeishia hapo.
Even though Mr. Rai is being accused of frustrating the revival of sugar industry, there are better ways to address this other than the president of a democratic country issuing callous threats by the roadside.
I want to ask the president and the deputy to know that to whom more is given, more is required of them. They must respect the constitution, the rule of law, and they must govern justly.
Ona kuria uguo thirikari ikoretwo igitariria kigiriko kiayo riria mibango yayo yathatio kuhuthira mithingi o ino ya watho. Kwa muhiano mogaruruku urimi-ini wa igwa kahua na macani makoretwo magitirio ni undu wa macira maria maikaraga makihandagwo igoti-ini ni ang'ethaniri amo noguo thirikari ikaremwo kuhingia ciiraniro ciayo kuri arimi. Kigiriko gia thirikari na macira igoti-ini ti kieru na kiehiriirie gaturu-ini ka utongoria wa President Uhuru Kenyatta nginya utongoria wake ugitiga gutia matua mamwe ma igoti.
People will say that the court process is being used to frustrate, but that is a question of perception, because in a court of law we have laws that ensure equality of parties that appear before it, and each party has an opportunity to present the case that they have before an impartial arbiter who is the court.
Riri thiothe yerekeire gukungwira muthenya wa kugitira ihoto cia muingi ngwataniro ya mawakiri inyitanire na ikundi tiganite cia kuruira ihoto cia muingi ciranyitirira ati Akenya ni magiriire kunyitana kugitira uhotani wa miaka 13 hari kugitira ihoto cia muingi uria warehirwo ni gatiba ya mwaka wa 2010. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.